Don't you hate it when you click on a video that promises to teach you a really tasty recipe, and then you click on the video and then the person that's gonna teach you goes on and on and on for about 10 minutes before they actually teach you how to make the recipe? Well, in this video, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go straight to the recipe. I lied, but if you give me 30 seconds so I can tell you about the benefits of this particular chili bean nacho dish that we're gonna make, I promise you it's gonna be worth it. So first thing, this particular dish is gonna be very low carb. But more importantly, you have the option to make it keto, or you can make it high carb, such as make it a post-workout meal if that's what you desire. 2, it's very tasty. And number 3, the actual chili bean part is very easy to make in bulk, so you can always make extra for meal prep. So that's it. I'm not gonna lie to you anymore. Let's get straight to the video. This meal is super easy to make. It's great for leftovers and it's great for meal prepping as well. You're only gonna need 5 ingredients for your base. You're gonna need 1 bag of Quest protein chips, and these are gonna be the MVP. You can find these at any Walmart, Albertsons, any grocery store really. They're only gonna be about $2. And what's really cool about these chips is they are very low carb, they're high protein, and they taste just like Doritos. You're gonna need 1 cup of red chili sauce, 1 cup of black beans, half an onion, and lean ground beef. And with these 5 ingredients, you're gonna be making 2 to 3 servings. Each serving is gonna be 12 to 15 grams of net carb, about 40 to 45 grams of protein, and a total of 400 calories. If you wanna add even more flavor to the meal and make it look like I did in the thumbnail, then of course you have the option to add a little bit of light sour cream, some garlic salt, cumin, minced garlic, green onion, or shredded lettuce. The best thing about this particular meal is that it can be incredibly versatile. You can use it for low carb, keto, or post-workout. If you're gonna use it for keto, all you have to do is cut out your beans in half. So instead of using 1 cup of black beans, you're gonna use half a cup. Instead of using regular ground beef, instead of using lean ground beef, you're gonna use regular ground beef because you wanna get your fats up, and regular ground beef is a little bit fattier. And you have the option to add a little bit of extra cheese and a heavier sour cream just to get the fats up in that meal. If you wanna use it for post-workout, or you wanna eat more carbs with it, just keep it the way it is, but add more black beans, or you can add a little bit of rice on top of it. Start by heating up a pan, use a little bit of cooking spray. Don't use any oil because you're gonna defeat the purpose of the meal, which is to keep it low calorie. Add a little bit of minced garlic. Start by cooking the lean ground beef. Once the lean ground beef is about halfway done, add the black beans, add the onion, and then add the red chili sauce. Let them sit in medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add some of the spices, and then you're done. And at this point, we're just putting the meal together. You can add a little bit of light sour cream. Again, since we're doing a low carb version of this particular meal, I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of light sour cream. I'm gonna use some shredded lettuce just to add more volume to it, and some of the green onions as well. So once again, a serving is gonna be 12 to 15 grams of net carb, about 45 grams of protein, 400 calories total. And as you can see, I have extra for leftovers, which I can use later tonight, or I can use tomorrow as an extra meal. So now you know that each meal, how much each meal is going to contain, so you can use it accordingly based on your calories or on your needs.